Hey bakers, think your hand mixer can handle everything? Wait until you see what the Breville bakery chef can do, from cookie dough to bread in minutes. Let's put it to the test. The Breville bakery chef boasts a robust 550-watt motor, effortlessly tackling everything from dense bread doughs to light cake batters. Its planetary mixing action ensures every ingredient is perfectly incorporated, leaving no dry spots behind. With 10 precise speed settings, you gain ultimate control for any recipe. This mixer features a generous 5.7-quart stainless steel bowl, ideal for large batches, perfect for family gatherings or meal prep. It comes complete with essential attachments: a flat beater, wire whip, and dough hook, making it incredibly versatile. The convenient tilt-head design simplifies adding ingredients and swapping tools. To benefit from exclusive discounts, click on the link in the description and get this product at the best price. From kneading sticky dough to whipping fluffy egg whites, the bakery chef performs consistently and reliably. Its powerful motor handles heavy loads without strain, while the varied speeds allow for delicate folding or vigorous mixing. This machine is built to last, promising durability and countless successful bakes. Priced competitively, the Breville bakery chef offers incredible value, delivering premium features without the ultra-premium cost. It's a smart investment for anyone serious about baking. This mixer truly balances performance, durability, and affordability. Ready to transform your baking? Click the link in the description to learn more about the Breville the Bakery Chef Stand Mixer and bring this essential tool into your kitchen today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful baking reviews and tips.